used for this to extract this report?
The exit tool plus Limax plus Cell.net.
The forensic tower for?
Forensic is like using a machine that is there. You only use machine to display on what you are doing. Okay. That's why it's called the forensic tower 2. Okay. Yeah.
So could you put it to the court that this forensic tower 2?
Yeah.
In your report is actually 4, but you're saying 2 now. No. Is a proprietary forensic tool?
Yeah.
It is, yeah?
It's a forensic computer, not a tool.
Okay. Tool, but it is proprietary.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you the developer of this software?
No.
You're not?
No.
Okay. Could you also explain the internal algorithms of this software that you use?
Which software here?
The forensic tower too.
The forensic tower is like this computer.
Okay.
So what we use to analyze is the open source tools. The open source tools, when you Google right now, you'll get them. When you use through the Limax, you'll get the result that you want.
So from your explanation, do you know the error rate?
Error rate of?
Of the tools that you're using? You don't know?
No.
You don't know the accuracy rate as well?
No.
So you're just working with a balance of probabilities?
In every tools that is being generated or done by the developer, it always goes through the updation. The updating means that tool is up to date.
So you still say you don't know the error rate?
I don't know.
Okay, that's it. Did you run any validation tests on the software before using it in this case?
Which software?
The one that you used.
The open source tool is, for example, you are using Google. Do you run validation on Google? No.
That is why I'm asking. But
no.
Do you rely on Google to make a report?
I'm just asking you. It's a social. It's called an open source.
It is a yes or no. Did you run or you didn't run?
No, I didn't run.
Good. That is it. Do you possess any tool validation certificate for the specific version you used?
Which tool?
The tool you used.
It is an open source tool.
Yes, exactly. Do you have any certificate?
It doesn't have any certificate. It's open source.
Okay, so no certificate.
No certificate, no.
Exactly. Are you also aware that these tools can produce false positives? Stop shaking. Do you need some water?
No, I don't need water. I'm please.
You okay?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, is it correct or not?
Can you repeat kindly?
Do you know these tools can produce false positives?
Somehow, because it's a man-made tool.
So it is correct. You can produce a false report.
It can.
Okay.
Probability is there.
So from what you're telling me is this report or this extraction you have, there's a possibility that could actually have some errors.
The chances are low because I ran it through the.
No, yes or no?
No.
You said the chances are low. That means there is a possibility.
Possibility, okay. Let me accept.
So it is yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For purposes of your record, my name is Wanjira Maina, and I shall also be taking the witness through very few questions. Mr. Juma, there's a great many things you have told the court you do not know.
Thank you.
And I am hoping that the things I can ask you, very basic things, you at least do know. You said you're an ICT expert, correct?
Cyber and digital forensic expert, not an ICT.
Oh,
expert.
cyber and what?
Cyber and digital forensic expert.
Meanwhile, you've not provided anything, but that's not the point. You're an expert.
Digital forensic expert.
Yeah, potato.
Okay.
So how do you identify the owner of any social media account?
The owner
or the operator of any social media account? If, for example, today I owned a TikTok account, how do you identify that I operate that TikTok account?
Through collaboration with TikToks.
Very good.
Yeah.
I actually hoped you'd go there. So how do you collaborate with TikTok to find out that I own that specific?
Through the process of the court, we are being given a court order. Then we collaborate with TikTok to find if there is.
Good. Did you obtain any court order to find out who owns Riba News?
I was only dealing with YouTube.
No. Please.
I did not, because it was a social media.
I think I will repeat what Shadrach said. Just resist the urge to be generous with information. I don't need that information. You did not. For the YouTube video you were investigating, did you get any court order to collaborate with YouTube to get the registration details of whoever uploaded whatever details uploaded?
No.
You did not. Did you obtain any protocol logins from TikTok through a court order or anything else
No.
to find? You did not. So you do not have any scientific evidence to find out who owns Riba News, correct?
No.
You do not. That there is the accused person, correct?
I don't know.
This is ridiculous. Your Honor, please compel the witness to answer. That there is the accused person, yes or no?
How will I know unless you tell me? Just tell
This
me
is
because
ridiculous.
I do
That
not
there
deal.
is the accused person,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Do you know what his name is?
No.
Is he the person you saw in the video?
Yeah.
Your
It's the
Honor,
first
I
time
was
I'm seeing
actually
him in the
coming
building.
to that. So that there is the accused person, we agree, yes? His name is Nuru Okanga, correct? Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Okay, now I will take you to your report.
Okay.
Have you seen that face before?
When I was making this video,
No. What video did you make?
the one that I played before this
So
court,
you have seen that face before.
on the video, yeah.
You have seen that
Yeah.
face, correct? What is the face of the screenshot? On your report, there's a screenshot, right?
Yeah.
Of a face there. What is the name on that screenshot? Because now we're coming to you telling the court half-truths and lies. What is the name there?
Yeah, the Shagwa Piga Ruto
No.
Risasi.
The last name there.
Let me read the whole thing. The Shagwa Piga Ruto Risasi Nuru Okanga.
Nuru Okanga.
Yeah.
And I can see you have a colored version here. So Nuru Okanga being the person that said whatever was said, correct?
Yeah.
And you're telling the court you do not know this person, though, right?
I've met him today.
Okay.
I do not know him.
So we do not know whether Nuru Okanga is the owner of Riba News. You cannot tell.
I cannot tell.
You cannot tell whether Nuru Okanga operates the YouTube account that you are analyzing, correct?
I can't tell.
You cannot tell. You told the court that you have studied criminology.
Yeah.
At what level?
Bachelor's degree.
Excellent. So your expertise even in criminology is greater than your expertise in digital forensics, correct?
Both are okay.
No, answer my question.
Both.
You are more advanced in criminology than you are in digital forensics, yes or no?
I was doing parallel,
Sir,
so I'm doing
please,
both.
please, just answer my question. More advanced in criminology than you are in digital forensics, correct?
Okay, correct.
Correct. You have seen a charge sheet before, correct?
Yes.
So this is not the first charge sheet you're seeing in your life, correct?
Yes.
And the charge sheet here reads what? Just read for me, starting from on
On the
diversity.
date between 7th and 10th day of June 2024, at an unknown place within the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others, not before court, knowingly and unlawfully, published false, defamatory,
Okay, stop there. Knowingly and unlawfully did what?
published false,
Published, right?
Yeah.
The word is published.
Yeah.
Continue.
defamatory, and threatening information online, comma, while using the TikTok account,
So number one, there was a TikTok account involved.
yeah, dubbed Riba News,
Dubbed
Riba News,
Uh-huh.
and Siasa hyphen TV hyphen KE hyphen backup and YouTube channel oblique Google.
Okay, so let's leave it there. So in order for Nuru Okanga to be found guilty, he has to have been the one that did what? Read the word.
Published,
Correct?
yeah.
Yes, but you cannot tell us. You've told me that you do not know who operates Riba News.
Yeah.
Correct? You have also told the court that you do not know who operates this YouTube account. Correct?
Yeah.
So it cannot be Nuru Okanga, or you cannot at least tie Nuru Okanga to River News, correct?
I'm not an IO.
No.
Kindly
You
ask
have
me-
not been able to establish a
kindly-
link between Nuru Okanga and River News, yes or no?
Kindly ask me.
Sir,
what
you will
is
not
it
tell me what to
know.
ask you, please.
I
I am
can't.
asking you a question.
I
You
can't.
cannot. And that will be the end of my cross-examination, Your Honor.
Your Honor, want to hand over the witness back to the prosecution. We hand the witness. Give the witness.
Your Honor, with your permission.
Yes.
Your Honor, there is Jeff had two questions. I think we had omitted to ask Mr. Kaneva.
Okay.
With your permission, you can ask. Thank you.
Two questions?
Maybe I won't be very long because my seniors have asked pretty much all the relevant questions. Mine will be to clarify, and I'll similarly require brief answers.
Okay.
Okay, at the very least, we can both agree that you have not presented any evidence before this court to the effect that the two accounts belong to Mr. Nuru Okanga. Can we agree to that effect?
Yeah.
Second and last question. At the very least, we can similarly agree that at the time you prepared the report,
Yeah.
you did not have the requisite qualifications.
What are the requisite
The
qualifications?
international qualifications that my senior here, Babu Owino.
I have. I'll bring it to court. I haven't presented to court.
At the
but I
time
have.
you prepared the report,
I did not produce the Isaka, but I had, before I started I'm repeating again for the third time. Before I started giving out my evidence,
it is either you
I
did
said
have it or you did
celebrate,
not have
I
it.
said celebrate certified operator as well as celebrate certified analyst. I think he accepted. Celebrate is an international, but
We are
it's
not talking about
written-
Celebrate.
It's not. So
We are
I
talking
had the
about Isaka.
I had the prerequisite.
Did you have the Isaka qualifications at the time when you prepared the report?
I had a
Christian?
celebrate.
What of the Isaka one?
It was not yet out.
So you did not have it.
Yeah, but I had a celebrate.
That will be all.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this is my fifth year. He just got admitted last week. And he's doing very well.
Congratulations.
Your Honor, my name is Councillor Ruko, and I had just a few questions to an expert here. Given that he's stating that he has much qualification, my primary qualification is in computer science, besides being an advocate, and I will put you to task to some of the things I've been noting. What is Save.net?
Save.net, it is like a Brave account that you use to download the content in YouTube or TikTok.
You use to download.
Yeah, after putting in
Thank
the
you.
analysis, you
Thank
download.
you. You use to download.
Yeah,
Not to manipulate,
not to manipulate.
but to extract.
Yeah, downloading
Thank
is
you very
it's
much. Thank you
active.
very much.
Yeah,
You talked about XIF.
EXIF tool.
What is XIF tool?
EXIF tool are the tools that are used to analyze the videos.
XIF tools are tools that are used to analyze. Kindly
It
explain,
is
analyze.
Analyze it, you can get it, you get the metadata using it composes of a very long process using the Linux and the EXIF tools to get the image of the video that you tend to use.
Thank you. For the sake of the court,
Yeah.
what is XIF in full?
EXIF, it's EXIF, that's
In
it.
full.
It is an EXIF, it's not an initial.
Wow. Thank you very much. I can continue. You also indicated that you had used Axiom.
Yeah, I have.
Do you have qualifications to use Axiom?
I have.
What qualifications do you have to use Axiom?
I'm a certified Axiom
No.
operator. What?
Oh,
Yeah.
you're a certified Axiom
Axiom
operator?
operator as well as a certified celebrate operator.
Are you in the list of certified Axiom operators in Kenya?
What do you mean by
Yes or no?
that? Unless I go and check, I just keep
Yes,
my name.
yes or no?
Yes.
You are?
I haven't checked online, but I am.
No. Are you or are you not?
I haven't checked online. But I am. I know I am, but I haven't checked online.
How do you become a member? How do you get onto that list?
After doing the examination of the Axiom,
Where did you do the examination?
through the Axiom people themselves, they trained us.
Who are the Axiom people? Answer me. I am an expert. You have to answer this question.
Axiom is you are being certified after doing an exam, an Axiom certification.
Excuse me. I did not ask that. I asked who are the Axiom people?
Cognitive.
Name the body.
I
Who
was
are those
given by the cognitive Axiom. I bring the certificate tomorrow.
Let me help you. At least you can tie me down to LSK, Law Society of Kenya, yes?
Yes.
At least you can tie someone to the judiciary. You can tie her down to the prosecution.
Yeah.
I can tie you down. You said your qualification is a police officer?
A DCI officer.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know the ranks, but I'm sorry. A
It's not
DCI
around.
officer. Thank you. Who are these people?
I was given by the cognitive.
Cognitive.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. The cognitive. Do you know that using Axiom, you manipulate metadata, or it has a possibility of manipulating metadata?
It has.
Do you know that it has a possibility of being engraved with an adware? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you know that it can be engraved with a malware?
It can.
It can.
Yeah.
Did you confirm when you are using Axiom that
Yeah.
it didn't have a malware?
In these circumstances, I've
Yes
told you.
or no?
No, since I did not
You
use
did not.
in these circumstances.
Don't explain. I don't want explanation. I understand.
No.
I will explain to the court what
No.
court does not understand.
No.
You did not confirm.
I did not confirm.
You cannot rule out that there was a malware.
I can't rule out.
You can't rule out
Yeah.
that there was a malware.
Yeah.
Did you know whether there was or there wasn't a malware?
Since I didn't use, I can't tell.
You did not use Axiom.
I did not use, since I did not get any physical, digital, mobile
Relax,
phones or
relax,
digital.
relax. Are you aware of what you're saying,
I am aware.
Mr. Expert?
Yeah, I am
You
aware.
said your qualification in ICT is up
It's
to what
diploma.
level?
I only have a diploma.
Diploma.
Yeah.
Diploma in what?
IT.
Diploma in IT.
Yeah.
Where did you do this beautiful course?
In Mount Kenya University.
Oh, I like that university. They give us experts.
Thank you.
Now, do you know that use of Axiom can give misleading information?
I doesn't know.
Do you know Axiom produces a report based on what you click, based on what you want, based on your bias as an expert?
No.
You don't know about that one?
No.
How do you generate the report?
Are we dealing with the physical news so that we can go to Axiom? Are we going to the phones? Or we are dealing with the social media? I am not understanding you. I only did social media. If
did
you want to
social
we go to the digital forensics, we can get to the digital
To the
forensics.
digital. Do you know about something called passing?
No.
Oh my God. Passing, Your Honor, passing is where an error can occur because a program has been created or has been put to operate in a certain way that gives a specific answer, not really a true answer. An answer which, or a result, which depends on what I am keen in. You have said before this court that you did not check whether the softwares you're using had malware or not. You have also said that you didn't check if they have any hardware.
Yeah.
You have also said that they can manipulate the data.
Yeah.
But you don't understand what passing is.
Yeah, I don't understand.
I have no other question now.
Beyond my move now we are done. We hand over the request. And thank you for the generous time.
Just a few questions. Your exam. Kindly confirm to this court that apart from the request letter
You did not receive any other device.
I did not receive any device.
Also confirm to this court, having mentioned analysis, downloading, and extraction, kindly confirm to this court what specifically did you do? Did you do extraction at some point, or you just did analysis? Did you download?
I only did the analysis. I got the video. The video is on the screen. You have to download it for you to save. So I saved it through the save.net and saved it in the DCD.
At the time that you are requested to analyze that particular data, had the accused person been charged?
No. I even don't know.
At the time that you are requested for that particular analysis, and in the letter of request, was there a name of a person who's being investigated or yet to be charged?
There was none.
There was none.
Yeah.
In your report, did you include any name of any person or a suspect in the data that you are analyzing?
The video that I got, I only screenshotted the video, and that's why you can see it's a video link and a picture for the report. That's the only thing that I did on the report, as it includes around three names: the Gachagua, the Ruto, and the Nuru Okanga.
Thank you. Kindly confirm to this court the specific responsibility, the specific work that you are charged to do in relation to this matter.
I was tasked to do the forensic analysis, cyber analysis of the links that I was given, and prepare the report. It reads to facilitate our inspection. You kindly furnish us with the following: whether the channels are registered and licensed under the Kenya. This we do not do. It is done under multimedia, so I do not do.
Just mention
registration
what
details
you did.
and any other information that is relevant to our investigation. So I gave out all the information that they needed.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Apart from, I believe this would be the last question. No, Your Honor, second last. Apart from Isaka's certification, were you certified to do the analysis as requested by this letter as at 11th June 2024?
Yes, Your Honor. I had a Celebrate Certified Analyst certificate and Celebrate Certified Operator certificate.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, the last question. There was an error in the dates that you provided in the report.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly explain.
It was a typo error. That's why you can see above of it, I had written 11/06/2024. But I was taking, so there came an error. That's why you can find the 2023 on it.
So before this court, can you confirm when you compiled this report and did your analysis?
Through the records letter and the report, it goes 1-on-1, 11/06/2024.
Your Honor, that should be all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, we have an application to make. Our client has never seen any information brought to this court over this matter. as witnesses for cross-examination. That is all we have.
Sorry, Your Honor. Your Honor, the complainant is the state in this matter. Today we presented our last witness. And we close the prosecution case, Your Honor. Your Honor, we can take a reading date. Or a date for, sorry, reading date.
Your Honor, in brief rejoinder. Your Honor, the particulars of this offense, as revealed by the charge sheet, are very clear. Your Honor, it says that the accused person, while using TikTok account dubbed Riba News, Siasa TV, and YouTube channel website, posted a caption video to it, Nuru Okanga Rigathi Gachagua piga Ruto risasi, knowing it to be false. Your Honor, this is an offense provided for under Section 27 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act. So that, Your Honor, it is not enough for the prosecution to merely state that the state is the complainant. As revealed by the particulars of this charge sheet, it portrays or it poses a picture where the accused person is accused of asking a gentleman by the name Rigathi Gachagua to piga Ruto risasi. So we want to know who is this Ruto. And if possible, he comes before this honorable court as a witness. So, Your Honor, we would wish that you make a ruling on that matter, on our application, so that we can have a fast-track hearing and termination of this case. We do not wish to put in any submissions as regards the case to answer. We will not put in any submission.
Your Honor, perhaps in addition to what my colleagues have submitted, are well and sufficient. Your Honor, we will also wish, if it so pleases the Honorable Court, if at all, Your Honor, the former Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, indeed felt advised by our client to take a gun or a pistol and shoot the president. Your Honor, it is not sufficient in the eyes of the law to drag names of individuals before the Honorable Court without necessarily inviting them to help the court in balancing the scales of justice. We will not have sufficient cause to mount the charges that our client is currently facing. If at all, the former Deputy Rigathi Gachagua took the words, if at all, Your Honor, and I say this with a lot of humility, if he took those words in jest, so that if those words were said in jest, in the eyes of the person to whom the advice was directed, then it automatically would follow that the person on that other end, who is the President of the Republic of Kenya, or this Mr. Ruto, will then not be living in fear, as it has been calculated by the state to ensure that this crime or whatever is said to have been said by the accused fits squarely within the elements set under Section 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act. Your Honor, I know too well that probably Mr. Rigathi Gachagua did not even get to hear what we are being told here. He probably never even took it seriously, if at all it was even said. So if at all the state is serious on prosecuting this matter, if it has done so in good faith, then let them invite the Right Honorable His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua and Mr. Ruto to come and testify before this honorable court. Thank you.
is the ruling of the court. The prosecution have indicated that they have closed their case. The same has been objected by the defense, who are requesting that the witnesses mentioned, that the persons mentioned in the particulars of the charge sheet be called for examination before this court. The prosecution has indicated that the state is a witness in this matter, whereas the court, pursuant to Section 150 of the Criminal Procedure Code, has a right to summon any witness to attend court for examination. I believe it is the prosecution's discretion in this matter to call witnesses they so wish. There is no section of the law that compels or forces the prosecution to call a particular witness. In this case, a complainant. They are only obliged to call witnesses they find relevant to their case. Where the prosecution fails to call an essential witness, at the end of the case, the court may find or draw an inference that the evidence would have been adverse to the prosecution case. Therefore, at this point, I believe this will be a matter left for submissions for the court to make a determination to the same. Therefore, the prosecution cannot be forced to call any other witness. The application to close the prosecution case is upheld.
Thank you.
Most obliged. Yeah.
Most obliged.
You'll be filing submissions? Prosecution will not be filing submissions.
Your Honor, on our part, will be requesting for 14 days. Yes, Your Honor, we have agreed 7 days will be sufficient.
But Your Honor, we will not wish to have a mention. We'll rather get a ruling date so that if we don't file the submissions, it is adverse to us as the defense.
I think, unfortunately, then we'll have to have a date in the new term. I only see it up to 5th of December, then I proceed on leave.
Very well. In January will be.
So we can have a ruling date and file submissions in between.
Yes, indeed, Your Honor.
You know, we are going to give our client a Christmas gift, but it's okay. We will come back in January. New Year. It will be a New Year.
Take a date in January.
Early January,
Yes, that is okay.
6th of January,
6th.
yes.
Would you have finished with your guests in the village? No.
We can take the next date.
The next week for safety.
13th,
13th is should be okay.
You know, I'm consulting the client who is preferring if it is going to please the court. Probably we can get the 3rd week. Because he's a student, he has to look for school fees. His school fees and that of his children. It's a very tricky situation.
20th of January,
That is okay.
Thank you. We are not doing that.
so submissions to be filed within 14 days.
Yes, that is okay.
thank you very much for being patient with us.
Yes.
Have a lovely evening.
Okay, also thank you for sticking to the time as promised. At least we have ended at 5. So we meet next year.
Yeah, most of the
I need to finish.